In this video, we will show how HexaSync updates the item stock from Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations to Magento in real time. First, in the Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations dashboard, select Product Information Management. Select Release Products. On then search, select the product that needs to update stock. I choose product 0011. Select the product, then click on Hand Inventory. Continue selecting Quantity Adjustment. We can see that the quantity of this product is 8. Return to HexaSync. After entering the Microsoft Dynamics F&O to Magento Product Stocks task, we will find the product by entering the ID in the Item Numbered column. And our product is in an Apple warehouse, so we can see the product quantity is 8. Now go to Magento to check, select Catalog, click on Products. Similarly, we will search for product 0011. Looking at it, we can see that quantity is also 8. Now go back to Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations and update the stock for this product from 8 to 10. Press OK button. Then, we will go through HexaSync to see if the quantity has been changed. As you can see, the quantity of this product has been changed to 10. Go to Magento and refresh the page. We can also see that the product quantity has been updated successfully. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. HexaSync. Connecting applications, transforming processes.